Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth headphones not showing up on Windows 11, 10. Open services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.